In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your opening balances in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or transitioning from another accounting system, accurately setting your opening balances is a crucial step to ensure your financial records are accurate. Let's dive right into it. We'll start by navigating to the top right corner of your Zoho Books interface, where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking here opens up a menu with various configuration options pertinent to your organization's financial setup. Among these options, look for and select Opening Balances under the Organization section. This is where we will enter the starting balances for your accounts, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of your financial data right from the start. Once you've accessed the Opening Balances section, the next step is to enter the opening balance date. This is the date from which you will begin using Zoho Books. Essentially, it's your transition point, the line between your historical records and your new system setup. Ensuring this date is correct helps maintain chronological consistency in your financial reporting. After you set the opening balance date, click on the Edit option to make your entries. Here you will manually enter the correct debit or credit amounts for each account listed. This includes your bank accounts, receivables, other assets, liabilities, income, and expense accounts. It's important to be precise here. Take your time to verify and input each figure accurately. This process provides a snapshot of your financial position at the selected date and becomes a baseline for all future transactions. Not rushing through this step is vital, and if there are discrepancies, it might be worth double-checking your previous financial records or consulting with your accountant. When you've entered all your balances, click Continue, which will lead you to the confirmation page. This step acts as a brief pause to ensure everything's as it should be before finalizing. Here, carefully review all the information you've inputted. Check each account, compare with your previous records if needed, and ensure there are no omissions or errors. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the Confirm button to save these balances. This final step ensures that your opening balances are now officially recorded in Zoho Books. With this, your Zoho Books is now ready and set up with your initial data. This process, while straightforward, forms the backbone for all your accounting tasks henceforth. Ensuring accuracy here will greatly benefit your ongoing financial management. If you encounter any challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho support or consult their help documentation. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting with Zoho Books.